I just want to show you guys how to use the Illuminator light bank that I sell. First, there's an A mode. Not sure if you can see this clearly, but the A mode is actually a channel mode for the DMX, so they can ignore if you don't use DMX. So the F mode is the strobe mode. So this one should be 0 if you want to use it normally. Yeah, this is up and down. So make sure it's 0 at all times so that you don't get the strobe effect. So now the Y mode. So Y mode, it controls yellow, the color yellow. So 255 is maximum and 0 is minimum. See? So 255 is the maximum, so let's put it at maximum. Then U is actually the white mode, the mode for the white color white. So 0 and full. So yeah, so this is how to use the light like you do control through the buttons. Alright, thank you for watching this. See you guys. Bye. God bless.